the last exercise we had was to now take the all the ideas that we've heard, and I'll just share this with you real quick if that's okay. Okay.
Final sketch idea.
Final sketch idea. So what we've got as kind of a last step here is and we'll just do it as homework. So you can do it right now if you like for the next session. But it's to now take all the ideas that you've had, now that you've had a moment to kind of think through your sketch and hear feedback and have questions asked, is to do one more sketch. And then what I've got is a Google slide deck here, in which you should have access to if you go to this URL here, this tinyurl.com/Kuali Design Lab. And then you can just kind of add your name, your institution, and your last sketch with any thoughts that you would like to share. And I'll reach out to Katie. I've got her email, and share that with her as well. And then if you'd like to make any comments on what's there, please do. I'm so sorry for the technical difficulties. So glad to have you join us and get to meet you. And one thing that they're asking for us to request of all the participants is to go ahead and rate the presentation. That's just going to be between the details and the overview header. And then if you have any follow-up questions or want to talk more, feel free to reach out to me and David. Hey, David.
All right.
Sorry about that.
Not your fault. Well, thanks, Tyler. Any follow-up questions for us, Tyler?
Nope, I think that's pretty good on my part.
All right. Well, thanks
And
so
my
much.
background is development, so that's why why we got what we got.
Awesome. We love doing these exercises with developers, so great
Yeah.
to have you join. Thank you.
Well, yeah.
I always got to think about it. So.
Well, yeah, we hope you have a fantastic rest of Kuali days. And yeah,
Yep.
We'll see you later.
Bye.
Bye, everybody.